Hi everyone! I hope you're having a wonderful family day. My name is Alicia and I work at the Westminster Public Library. I'm a children's librarian, and today I'm going to show you how to finger knit your very own bookmark. Finger knitting is great because you can make something without any needles or other supplies. All you need is yarn. You'll want several feet of yarn for this, depending on how long you want your bookmark to be. If you picked up one of the Family Day activity kits, the yarn in there is about 10 feet. If you are right-handed, you'll want to have the string on your left hand, and the other way around. If you're left-handed, you'll want the string on your right hand. I'm right-handed, so we're going to start on my left hand. You're going to pinch the end of your yarn between your thumb and your forefinger, just like that. And then you're going to take your string, your yarn, and you're going to weave it in between your fingers back and forth. Like this. We'll go behind your index finger, in front of your middle finger, behind your ring finger, in front of your pinky, and when you come to the end, we're going to wrap around your pinky and come back in front of your ring finger, behind your middle finger, in front of your index finger. Now we're back, and now we're going to do it all again. We're weaving in and out, and in and out, in and out, in and out, and now you see you have 2 loops of string on each finger. Now what we're going to do to make our first stitch is we're going to take the bottom loop on each finger and lift it up and over your finger. Make sure you're still holding on to this one nice and tight with your thumb. All right, next one. Take it up and over. You can bend your fingers a little bit, it makes it a bit easier. And up and over. All right. Congratulations, you've done your first stitch. And now we're going to do everything that we just did all over again. We're going to take our string and go in and out. Until we have 2 loops again, and then we're going to do the same thing, taking the bottom loop up and again. And you will start seeing on the back of your hand, it will look very messy at first, don't worry. On the back of your hand, you'll start seeing a little chain of knitting going. And we're going to speed up a little bit until the end. Just keep going, and then I will show you how to finish your bookmark off. Okay, and you'll see when you've been doing this for a little while, you'll have a nice long chain of knitting. And when you decide that it's about as long as you want it to be, we're ready to finish off. So there are lots of ways to cast off to finish your finger knitting, but this is the way I like. What we're going to do is take the loop on your index finger here. We're going to carefully take it off, and we're going to put it on your middle finger. So now you've got 2 loops on your middle finger, and you're going to take the bottom loop just like you do when you're making a stitch and pull it over. And now we're going to do the same thing with this loop. Take it off and put it on the next finger, and then loop, finally, now it's just one left. Take this one up and over, and then carefully you'll take it off, and you'll cut your yarn, and you can put the end of your yarn through that loop and just pull it tight. If you want, you can tie another knot just to make it nice and strong. And then you're done. And now you have a nice long bookmark to put in your book, hold your place. There you go. All right, have a happy family day, everybody. Bye.